Shaneil Muir claps back at social media user for saying her bum is flat, and Koffee scores another endorsement deal, and Shensea's son Raj sends a message to his girlfriend.
Love you, Natalia, my girlfriend.
Number one, trending topic. Attention to detail, everything microscopic. New post truck, man, a pushing at the traffic.
Welcome back to the Dancehall IG channel. Now today I have some video lined up for showing the people. So I said the first one I go show you our fun video. Then we are gonna get into Shaneil Muir, and then I go show you Koffee if you stick around long enough, right? But people, Raj, you know what I mean? Roger star in her own right. You see me? Shenseea look like she make a snap from what she saying at the caption, and the boss just decide for just do this spontaneously. So take a look at this video of Raj sending a message to his girlfriend via Shenseea snap.
Love you, Natalia, my girlfriend. I love you, girl. I'll give you lots of flowers, girl.
One thing we know for sure and two things for certain, Natalia must see it because Shenseea post it, and she said this in the caption. Imagine I'm here just randomly snapping myself only to hear my 5-year-old talking like this. I think I need help raising at Rajira Lee at this point. Hashtag Shenyang, what you gonna tell him? So people more have to know what I gonna tell Raj down in the comment section, just like how Shenseea asks. You see me I say, she asked the question. You see me I say, tell me down in the comment section what you think about that video and Raj bold move. You see what I say? For me, you know what I mean, I just laugh, me I laugh. I think it's a fun moment, you know what I mean, so kids stay when them grow up. Some of them, because some people shy, some people are not. Raj look like him already take the spotlight. You see me? That's my opinion. And tell me what you think down in the comment section. Now people, let's move on and talk about Shaneil Muir. Now it look like Shaneil Muir up on vacation. I don't know exactly where she at, but she has posted some picture on the beach and thing, and she posted one specific picture that somebody made a comment on, and this person said, but kind of flat, and Shaneil Muir responded and said, just like your bank account. Then she screenshot it and posted it on her page with another caption where she say, me no trouble people, you know, but I love to make example like maths class. Ladies, embrace on yourself, and anybody come for me, brace on yourself. And the somebody where say, me shape like soup dumpling, me hope your bladder fail you tonight and you piss your bed. Right? Straight up. So no know say Shaneil Muir no grow and come round when she ready. You see me? She have that side too if you don't know. You see me? But people, may I tell you, if I'm not Shaneil Muir, I could have anybody, I could have one regular person, female, and no understand what I mean, none artist, right? Them I go get away, you know what I mean? Them I go respond. Them I go clap back, you see me? So, want to think about what Shaneil Muir tell them. Now, if you look at the screenshot said where you see the person, I say, people, I am wrong for saying that. I apologize to the artist. Then them go on to say, so what is your point? I say what I say. And, you know, it look like them never get the satisfaction when they apologize because people still beat them. So then just say, them say what them say. But anyway, people, wanna tell me what you think about this down in the comment section. So it look like Koffee score another deal endorsement, or she just part of the ad campaign for Calvin Klein. We don't know exactly what is the stipulations of this venture, but we know say Koffee in the commercial for Calvin Klein, right? And she also posts a picture on her Instagram, and people, what heap of other people in it. Koffee is the only Jamaican. You have like Meg the Stallion and some other people, you know what I mean? US celebrity them, but Koffee is the only Jamaican, like I said.
Elia Mashiach,
to the Most High Yahweh,
Elishua, Gabriel,
bringing the message.
Yahshua HaMashiach is the way. End Time Records. In my life, a lot of struggles that I face, but I'll overcome.
Are we at the victory?
For Yahshua is the victorious one, my life.
Pick up yourself to all of the overcomers.
A lot of struggles that I face, but I'll overcome. For HaMashiach is the victorious one.
The name of the song is The Victorious One, and it's produced by End Time Records out of Jamaica. I'm going to have a voice note from the producer, and I'm going to tell you where the artist their name.
So the artist names are Elia Mashiach, Elisha Gabriel.
Them say poor people will never make it in a life. But him said the meek will inherit the throne of life. My life has a whole lot of struggles, but I know that I must hold on. Can't give up now, I've come too far.
In my life, a lot of struggles that I face, but I'll overcome. For Yahshua is the victorious one, my life.
The first thing that really speaks to me about this song is the artist, them voice. The singer, him have a voice like an artist when I hear before. I want to say Jack Cure, but you can't tell say I'm not Jack Cure. You can't tell me what I think in the comment section. Then you have another one with a heavy voice. Now, him sound like BSC from TOK. And theme verse I come right up. So we're not going to hear what I talk about.
A lot of struggles that I face, but I'll overcome. Mashiach is the victorious one.
It's time, I've made up my mind. Straight to the kingdom, there's no looking behind. All the battles up ahead, when I look, them I see. All I declare is victory. But let the truth be told, this world is cold. I speak frankly, I'm gonna speak this bold. Man's only hope is the kingdom of Yahweh Sabaoth.
In my life, a lot of struggles that I face, but I'll overcome. For Yahshua is the victorious one, my life.
And people, I could have talked about that song without talk about the production itself. The rhythm itself is a nice rhythm. I say it a beat, it go with the song. We don't know how the process go, if the song come before the rhythm or the rhythm come before the song, but both of them complement each other. And again, I like a thing, I don't know who for idea for keep the chanting going all the way through the hook in the background. If you listen carefully, you know we hear that.
A lot of struggles that I face, but I'll overcome. For Mashiach is the victorious one.
Me know say this walk no easy, but I know I'll overcome. Me pick free instead of pick tree to end this curse. You better believe me, my life goes on. Though shaking and rocking and moving, I'll hold on to Yahshua.
In my life, a lot of struggles that I face, but I'll overcome.
As far as composition go and how the song lay out, I some like song because it start with a first verse. You know, the hook is just a straight shot, and then it go into the first verse, come back into the hook, go into the second verse, and then a third verse, and you still not reach like far into the tune. You see what I say, people? We barely crack like a minute and so into the tune already. You see me? So as some likes the tune layout, and that make it easy to follow. So me I go play some more. Here we go on.
For Yahshua is the victorious one, my life. A lot of struggles that I face, but I'll overcome. For Mashiach is the victorious one. A lot of struggles that I face, but I'll overcome. For Yahshua is the victorious one, my life.
And people, I have to address the visual itself. You see what I said? The music video look aesthetically pleasing. You know, they have colors, they have different colors for different artists. Plus, everything look uniform with the dancer them in the same shirt. You know what I mean? Bearing the emblem and so on. You see me? And the thing will get me to the aspect ratio. If you don't know what aspect ratio is, it's the black bar at the top and the bottom. You see me? I say, well, widescreen video. Not a lot of people shoot them video in a widescreen like that. So if you watch this on big screen TV, it full up the whole widescreen. So people, again, the song name Victorious, and I'm going to put the link so you can get to the song and hear it without me talking over it. I'm going to put all the links to the producer and all of that. So what I want to do, people, I want to tell me what you think about the song. Give me a score out of 1 to 10. You see me as I down in the comment section. I want to tell me, you know what I mean, what you think about the review. All right, thank you.
We got Diamond in my AP. Dancehall IG. Atina. Excuse me. Dancehall IG. Rich. Punk should know. 10 to blacks. Yeah, they.